Current sensitivity. Aim of the experiment to determine the current sensitivity of moving coil galvanometer. The formula for same, S is equal to theta upon I suffix G. I suffix G stand for current through galvanometer, S for current sensitivity, theta is deflection galvanometer. This is required circuit diagram. If you see in circuit diagram, what we have, this is our battery, then plug key to measure the current micrometer, to see the deflection a galvanometer, and variable a resistance box. Now actual apparatus, if you see now, this is our variable resistance box, cell, plug key to measure deflection, galvanometer, and to see the current microammeter. If you see the range of micrometer, it is 0 to 250, and from 0 to 50 we have 10 division, that means least count, that is 1 division is equals to 5 microampere. A galvanometer has a range 0 to 30, 0, 10, 20, 30 on right side, 0, 10, 20, 30 on left side, right? For circuit connection, we'll place the apparatus as shown in diagram first. A variable resistance box, so I kept here variable resistance box, then battery, that is battery, then plug key, microammeter, galvanometer. Here we are not using a 4 key का यहाँ पे ज़रूरत नहीं है, you can connect directly. Now we'll do the connection. We'll start from battery. A positive end of battery, if you see, positive end of battery is connected to variable resistance, so positive end of battery is connected to resistance. This will connect to a resistance box. Another end of resistance box, it is connected to micrometer, so this is connected to positive of micrometer, so this will connect to positive of micrometer. Negative of micrometer will connect, if you see, it is connected to, directly will connect to galvanometer. We are not using a 4-way key, so this is connected to galvanometer. Then second end of galvanometer, if you see a diagram, second end of galvanometer will connect to directly to plug key, second end to plug key, and then from plug key to negative of battery, plug key to negative of battery. This completes my simple circuit connection. Now we are going with readings. Now this is our observation table where we have to take 4 readings: resistance, current in microampere, then we will convert current in ampere, then deflection, then sensitivity, and finally we will go for mean, and then we have to draw the graph. Now first of all, a resistance, you can take any value of resistance from resistance box where you will get a proper reading. We are taking a resistance from resistance box where we are getting proper reading as resistance. Will select 6000, then we'll go with 7000, then 8000, then 10,000. Students, you will write with pen only. Now we'll go with 6000 from resistance box. So I have here 5000, so I'll take 5000 from here and 1000 from here, so it is 6000. Now we'll see the current and deflection. To complete the circuit, we'll put the plug key first. For 6000 resistance from resistance box, we have current 240 because though division 250k is side and one division is 5, so reading is 240. And if you see in galvanometer, we have two division on that side, that means it is 18. So current is 240 and deflection is 18. So for 6000 current we have 240 convert in ampere, that is multiplying by 10 raised to minus 6. So 240 into 10 raised to minus 6 division we have 18. Now we will go for 7000. Now 7000, that is 5000 and 2000. Now it is 7000. Now we will see the deflection and current. Current is approximately 210. After 200 we have two division, so current we have 210 and here we have division 15. So for 7000 we are getting 210 and 15. So we will write the reading. Current is 210 in microampere to ampere 10 raised to minus 6 division we have 15. Now next we will go with 8000. A resistance from resistance box we took 1000 more, so 5000, 2000 and 1000. Now it is 8000. For 8000 now we will see the current and deflection. Current is around 180 and this is around 1313. So we can say for 8000 current 180 microampere to ampere 10 raised to minus 6, this is 13. Now we will go for final reading for 10,000, right? For 180 to microampere to ampere 10 raised to minus 6 division we have 13. Now we will go for 10,000. For 10,000 we will take key. So directly we took a value of 10,000 from here. Now we will see the deflection and current. If you see the current and deflection we have 10, theta is 10 and here we have 150k, though division which side, that means 140. So 140 and 10 when we have resistance from resistance box is equals to 10,000. So we will write our reading. For 10,000 we have current 140 convert in microampere 10 raised to minus 6 and division we have 10. Okay students, for 10,000 current is 140 converted microampere to ampere and deflection is equals to 10. Now calculation part, let's see calculation. Students, you are supposed to do calculation here. You can divide the page in two parts for calculation. I did this calculation on this paper, right? I'll explain this calculation to you, how to do the calculation. The formula we have, S is equals to theta upon I suffix G, that is current to the galvanometer. Now S is equals to theta upon Ig, first theta is equals to 18 and current will take 240 into 10 raised to minus 6. So 18 current is 240 into 10 raised to minus 6 ऊपर लेंगे, so 10 raised to plus 6. So 18 upon 240. If I divide this, 6 3s are 6 4s are 3 by 4, 10 get cancelled with this, 10 raised to 5. 3 upon 4 will get 0.75 into 10 raised to 5. Shifting 1 10 to this, we can write 7.5 into 10 raised to 4 division per ampere. Same way second calculation, sensitivity is equal to theta upon I suffix G, theta in second case, how much we have? Theta is 1 5 and this is 210 into 10 raised to minus 6. So corresponding current 210 into 10 raised to minus 6 ऊपर जाएगा plus 6. In the same way 15 upon 21 10 raised to 5, that we wrote 5 upon 7 into 10 raised to 5. Since calculations are simple, you can do it directly, otherwise we require a log. So answer we got 7.142 into 10 raised to 4 division per ampere. Third calculation, theta is 13 and current is 180 into 10 raised to minus 6. So 13 upon 180 into 10 raised to minus 6. In the same manner, we'll take 10 raised to minus 6, ऊपर लेंगे 10 raised to plus 6. Answer is 7.222 into 10 raised to 4 division per ampere. A last calculation, S is equals to theta upon Ig. Theta we have 10 upon 140 into 10 raised to minus 6. More or less same way, we'll take, and our calculation comes out to be 7.142 into 10 raised to 4 division per ampere. Then we require the mean. Mean means चारों का first, second, third and fourth. We'll calculate the mean. We'll write all this value in table first. So we wrote all values here, first, then second, third and fourth. Now we have to calculate the mean of all these four, add all four dividing by 4. So here we added all 4, 10 raised to 4 we took common, dividing by 4. Answer is 7.251 into 10 raised to 4 division. This is sensitivity by calculation. So we can write in result current sensitivity by calculation, that is 7 point, that is mean value 7.251 into 10 raised to 4 division per ampere. 7.251 into 10 raised to 4 division per ampere by calculation. Now by graph, we'll go for graph. If you see the graph is theta versus I suffix j, that is division versus current in ampere. These are the divisions and this is what we can say current sensitivity. We'll draw the graph here. I did graph on this paper. So let us see the graph, how we did the selection of a scale, etc. Scale we took on x-axis 1 centimeter is 20 into 10 raised to minus 6 ampere. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 division. That you can see here it is 1 centimeter is 1, that means here we wrote 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 40, 69, 18. This is theta. Current on this side 1 centimeter is 20, that means 2 centimeter is 40. So directly we wrote 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240 and 280. Here 1 centimeter is equals to 20, that means one single division is equals to we have 2. एक single division का value कितना है? Least count is 2. Now our readings, here it is theta and this side will take a current. So theta, first theta is 18 and current is 240 into 10 raised to minus 6. So here we'll take 280. I already did the graph. 280 from this side. Here it is 280 and from here it is 20. So we mark the point. Sorry students, 18, first calculation we have, reading is 18 and 240. So 18 is here, this is 18 and from here we took what we can say 240. So 240 and 18, this is my first point. Similarly we'll go with second point. What is second point I have? Second point is 210 and 15. So 210 and 15, so it is 200. I need 210. One division is 2, so I have to go with fifth division. This is 210, so I took 210. और यहाँ से तुम्हारा 15, ये 14 है, ये 16 है, तो यहाँ पे तुम्हारा 15 आ जाएगा. So this is 15. Similarly, we'll go with the third point. Third point is 13 and 180. So 180, there is no problem with 180, 160, 200. So 180 is here. So 180 is from here and 12 and 14, so 1 3 is here. Similarly, we'll mark the last point, that is 10 and 140, so it is 10 and 140. 140, so 120 and 160, so 140 is in between these two. Or draw a straight line passing through the maximum point, or we can say where the graph gets balanced. So this is a straight line which is passing through the maximum point and the origin. Now we'll calculate slope for the same. Now slope calculation, you can take any 2 points on a graph apart from the reading. So first point I selected here, that is 40 into 10 raised to minus 6, because we converted current in ampere. And y-axis 2 and 4, so it is 3, so 40 into 10 raised to minus 6, and this is 3. As far as possible for graph, keep the second point little bit away. So I took here, this is my second point. On x-axis, how much I have it is 280 into 10 raised to minus 6, and this side we have 20, so 280 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 20. So you can say x1 y1, x2 y2. Slope formula we have y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So for slope calculation, slope y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2, that means I can say this is 20 and y1 is 3, so 20 minus 3, x2 minus x1, x2 280 into 10 raised to minus 6, x1 is 14 into 10 raised to minus 6. Just putting the values, 20 minus 3 is 17, 280 minus 40 240, 10 raised to minus 6 upar liya 10 raised to plus 6. Doing the calculation, we will get answer 7.083 into 10 raised to 4 division per ampere. This is by graph, and mean which we got, this is by calculation. So mean is here, and that is first mean 7.25 into 10 raised to 4, this is by calculation. Now by graph, how much we got? 7.083 into 10 raised to 4. So we can say 7.083 into 10 raised to 4 division per ampere. That means if you see by calculation, by graph, they are coming approximately 7 into 10 raised to 4 division per ampere. Students, you will draw the graph here, and calculation will do at this side. If suppose you require more space, you can do calculation on this side also. As far as possible, divide the page in 2 parts for calculation purpose, and show all calculation properly as we did in the same way as it is you have to copy. Thank you, students.